Welcome back to Be Eloquent. As we know that correct grammar is the key to speak English fluently and confidently. Therefore, the series Learn English in 30 Days has been brought for the English learners so that they can improve their English grammar and communication skills. Today in this series, we are going to focus on past continuous tense. So let's get going. Past continuous tense is also known as the past progressive tense. It refers to a continuing action or state that was happening at some point in the past. The past continuous tense is formed by using subject followed by auxiliary verb to be was or were and verbs present participle and object. This tense expresses action at a particular moment in the past. The action started before that moment but has not finished at that moment. Examples are: Tara was waiting for the bus when it started to rain. They were not watching TV at 10 a.m. this morning. My mother was cooking when I called her. Everyone was shouting in the class. So through these examples, it can be observed that past continuous describes actions or events in a time before now, which began in the past and were still going on when another event occurred. Now let's discuss the structure of affirmative sentences in past continuous. To make the affirmative sentence, see the following formula. Subject plus to be was or were plus verb present participle, or subject plus was or were plus first form of verb followed by ing and rest of the sentence. Examples are: My friends were playing chess yesterday. While I was studying in my room, I heard a loud noise. I was preparing for my exam in the month of January. I was attending my online class when you arrived. They were watching TV last night. To create negative sentence in past continuous, we add not after auxiliary verb. The formula is subject plus was or were plus not plus present participle and rest of the sentence. Examples: I was not watching TV when you came to meet me. She wasn't paying attention to her online classes. You were not listening to me. They weren't studying seriously for their exams. Mohan was not playing chess last night. To make the question, auxiliary verb comes in the beginning of the sentence and question mark at the end. Formula is was or were plus subject plus present participle form and rest of the sentence followed by a question mark. Examples: Was she attending her online classes regularly? Were you listening while he was talking? Was he playing chess yesterday? Was Tara preparing for her exam last month? Were they eating dinner when we reached? WH questions. WH questions require more information in their answers. Typical WH words are what, where, when, why, who, how many, how much. To create a WH question, start with the WH word, add was or were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing and rest of the sentence followed by a question mark. Examples are: when were you playing chess with your friends? What were you doing when your father arrived? Who was singing the song in the concert? Why was he shouting last night? Past continuous tense usage. This tense is used to show that something continued for some time. For example, students were making noise. This tense is also used for something that happened again and again. Example: she was practicing piano every day. This tense describes an unfinished action that was interrupted by another event or action in the past. Example is: she was preparing the dinner when the phone rang. This tense is also used with verbs which show change or growth. Example is: her English was improving day by day. We often use past continuous tense to narrate the scene in stories. We use it to illustrate the background situation at the moment when the action starts. Often the story starts with past continuous tense and then moves into past simple tense. Here is an example. She was playing music and we were dancing. Everyone was enjoying the party, but all of a sudden I fell down as I didn't notice a chair on the way. So we can see that to express the background in a narrative past continuous tense is used. So in this way we can use this tense to write stories. Further, we use it for something that happened before and after a specific time. Example: it was 9 o'clock. I was writing an essay. Past continuous tense can also be used to express a change of mind or thought that happened in the past. Example of this use may be: I was planning to spend my holidays in Singapore but changed my mind later. This table illustrates the different ways to construct past continuous tense. Have a look. Time expressions with past continuous tense. Today we came to know about past continuous tense, which is used to mention actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past and which are generally no longer happening now. I hope you understood the rules. You can subscribe this channel to remain updated about next lecture. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share it. Thank you for watching and looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.